Hi everyone. Let us see the few examples based on laws of exponents. Simplify each of the following. They're asking us to find it out. Simplify it. First sum you see 7 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 times 7 to the power n plus 1 upon 20 times 7 to the power n minus 2 times 7 to the power n. Seeing the sum, don't be panic. Here easily we can find it out, this one, once if you know the laws of exponents. So here already we learned the laws of exponents here. What are the laws of exponents we learned? A to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, right? If this was given to us, we can convert this one in the form of this one also, right? So what am I going to do? This one I am converting in the form of a to the power m times a to the power n. How do I do that one? 7 to the power n times 7 to the power 2. Look at here. A to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Clear? Minus 3 times 7 to the power. This one also I am writing in the same manner. 7 to the power n times 7 to the power 1. Again check it out. A to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Clear? Upon 20 times 7 to the power n minus 2 times 7 to the power n. Now what do I do? Now I will take out the 7 to the power n is common over here, and also here is also common. That I am taking it out. 7 to the power n I am taking it out. What else is left over if 7 to the power n came out? Here it will become 7 square minus 3 times 7 to the power 1 means 7 I can write. So it will become 7 upon, here in this one also, here also 7 to the power n is there, here also 7 to the power n is there. That 7 to the power n you take out common. Then what else is left over here? Here it will become 20 minus 2 is left over. Now here numerator and the denominator 7 to the power n and 7 to the power n gets cancelled. Then you left with, what do you left with here? 7 square is 49 minus 3 sevens are 21 by 20 minus 2 is 18. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 28 upon 18. Simplify it. 2 14s, 2 9s. So here 14 upon 9 is the answer. Clear now? Now in the same manner I am going to do the next sum. Here also see 5 to the power n plus 3. Using the same formula, how do I write this one? 5 to the power n times 5 to the power 3 minus 6 times 5 to the power n times 5 to the power 1 upon 9 times 5 to the power n minus 2 square times 5 to the power n. Got it? Now what can I take common now? I can take 5 to the power n and here also 5 to the power n, take out common. Here 5 to the power n and here also 5 to the power n I will take out common. Then in the numerator 5 to the power n I am taking out common. Don't try to cancel this 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n. Not possible, and it is wrong. So here it will be, you left with here 5 cube minus 6 times 5 upon here if you are taking out this 5 to the power n common, then you left with 9 minus 2 square. So here 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n gets cancelled because it is in the into position. So here it will become 125 up minus 30 upon 9 minus 4. 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 3 is 9 by 9 minus 4 is 5 becomes 19 is the answer there. Same model. Here you check it out, this one. 16 times 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 1 minus 4 times 2 to the power n upon 16 times 2 to the power n times 2 square minus 2 times 2 to the power n times 2 square. Here I can take out the common 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n. Here also 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n. Even though I can take out 2 square and 2 square also common, but I am taking only 2 to the power n to get it cancelled out. So here 2 to the power n if I am taking out common, I left with 16 times 2 minus 4 upon, if I am taking here 2 to the power n common, Then I left with 16 times 2 square minus 2 times 2 square. So these two gets cancelled. Then you left with 32 minus 4 by 16 fours are 64 minus 8. 28 upon 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 56. 28 ones are 28. 28 twos are 56. So the answer is 1 by 2. Clear? Thank you.